Let's learn some colors and shapes. Red color, dark pink color, light green color, black color, light pink color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, purple color, dark green color, sky blue color. Let's draw the shape. Square. Trapezoid. Circle. Kite. Parallelogram. Right triangle. Brown color. Square. 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 Brown color. Yellow color. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Yellow color. Light green color. Circle. Circle. Light green color. Red color. Kite. 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 Red color. Blue color. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Blue color. Light pink color. Right triangle. Right triangle. Light pink color. Brown color, yellow color, light green color, red color, blue color, light pink color. Square, trapezoid, circle, kite, parallelogram, right triangle. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.